Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to show you a weather app that I built using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Now, if you want to be an app like this video is for you. Let's go ahead and try the weather app. It says here that enter city name. Let's try Bangkok. And then you click on search. It displays the weather information in Bangkok. You can see the temperature in degrees Celsius. It shows the humidity in percentage and then the wind speed in kilometers per hour. Let's try another city. Let's say New York. And then you click search. It updates the weather information in New York. Humidity and then the wind speed, and you also notice that the image changes. Let's try another city, Vientiane, Laos. Click search. It updates the weather information in Vientiane and also the image. Okay, let's try the last city, Dubai. Let's see what happens. It updates the weather information in Dubai, the humidity, and then the wind speed. Okay, all right, what happens if you enter a city that doesn't even exist? Let's say instead of saying Bangkok, we say Bangkok and click on search. It is going to show that invalid city name. All right, so guys, if you want to learn how to be an app like this, don't miss the next video, because in the next video I am going to show you step by step how I build this weather app. So click this video, click share, like and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you there.